guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. Let's make something yummy today.
But it's a beautiful day in this life that we're living. Just gonna take it all in. Tomorrow's not a given. Try my best to be present. Live my life like I'm meant to give up the search. All I need is right here.
We are going to make carrot pancakes. This is one of my yummiest favorite breakfasts to make. And we're actually just gonna make a single serving size today, but I'm also gonna leave down in the comments where you can make bigger batches of these in like a carrot bake or even carrot muffin. Let's go ahead and get started. There's not a lot of ingredients that we need. You're gonna need 2 carrots, like full carrots. I used to buy the baby carrots in the bag, and I used to use those. And then I found out what that liquid stuff was inside the bags with the baby carrots. So you can do that if you'd like, but I no longer get the baby carrots. So I'm gonna use 2 carrots. You're gonna need baking soda, vanilla, cinnamon, salt, 2 farm fresh eggs, and I'm using rolled oats today. And that's it. Super simple, super easy, and quick to make, and it is so good. And it's all really good ingredients, which is what I love around here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling my carrots. You can peel them if you want, or leave the skin on, that's up to you. I already have my stovetop on here and heating my cast iron skillet while I'm making this. And then I'm gonna actually chop up these carrots in smaller pieces because I'm just gonna use one of these little cup blenders since I'm just making a single serving today. If you were to use the baby carrots, I would use about 8 baby carrots, 8 to 10. I'm just gonna put that in there. We're gonna crack 2 eggs. And everything is just gonna go in this cup together. I usually don't measure, but I will put down in the comments a closer measurement for you guys. So, about a pinch or 2 of salt. The baking soda, I'm gonna use about maybe like a half a teaspoon. And then the vanilla, I'm gonna use about a teaspoon of it. And then I'm gonna use the Ceylon cinnamon. And really just put as much of this in as you like. I really like a lot of cinnamon. You could also use like a pumpkin spice mix, would make it really good too. So you can kind of switch up the seasoning that you want. Let's see, what have I left out? Oh, okay. And then I'm gonna use my rolled oats. And I have this little scooper in here that I always use. And it's about 1/3 cup of the oats. Just gonna put that in. And that is it. We're gonna blend it up. I'm gonna do that really quickly. I will be right back. Up now. One thing I want to mention is sometimes I add a little too many carrots. Like those carrot sizes will probably like more of a small to medium carrot, and sometimes I have put too much carrot in here and it makes it quite a bit thicker. The only problem is with that is sometimes the middle tends not to be done when you're cooking it. So I kind of, you know, you want it not liquidy, but a nice kind of like batter consistency. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour it out onto my cast iron here. And then just like pancakes, you want to wait until you see the bubbles forming on top, and then you'll know that it's ready to be flipped. Let's see if I can get a nice flip and not mess this up. Sometimes I mess it up, so let's see. Ah! Not too bad. Oh, I put that one on top. I'll have to scooch it over. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna make the third one here. This one actually, I just seen a couple carrot chunks. Make sure you blend it up a little better. I could probably just pick that out. Oh, there's another. And another. Not too bad. So as you can see, they make pretty good size pancakes. This was a single serving, so I will eat all of these. They would definitely be good in a big baking dish, and then, you know, cut in squares. That would be really good. And then also in little muffin tins, that would be good too. Yeah! I first found out about this recipe probably about 5 years ago when I was doing a workout program and I was following the nutrition like to the T that came with the program, and they used these color-coded containers that you've seen here. And so for the meal that we needed to create, it needed a red container, a green container, and a blue container, I guess it is. So you needed a protein, which was the eggs. The green container was for your vegetables, and then the blue container was for like your carbs. So anyway, that's how this recipe was created, and there was hundreds and thousands of people that were doing the same program when it first came out, and this was definitely a staple for everybody's breakfast for the longest time. I ate this like, the program was an 80-day program, and so I think it was halfway through the program when this came about, and I literally ate it before my workout for the rest of the 40 days. So there you have it. Yummy carrot pancakes. These are so delicious. So probably what I would do from here is maybe top it with some organic peanut butter and then slice some bananas on top. Oh my gosh, so good. You could do all kinds of things from here. Maybe drizzle some maple syrup on it with some blueberries. You could do anything. So how easy was that? A nice, healthy, quick, sweet breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or snack if you'd like. I think your kids would love this. It has a nice kind of sweet flavor with the carrots, and I don't think I didn't add any sweetener. I think when we first started making this recipe, I did add a little coconut sugar sometimes. Sometimes I would add stevia, but I love it without any extra sweetness. It is so, so good. So how easy was that? I know all the ingredients that are in my pancakes. It was quick to make. And now I'm gonna go enjoy this because I actually just did my workout and I need to eat because I am hungry. So I'm gonna add the peanut butter and the bananas on top and I am going to devour this. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you make the carrot pancakes. I think you're really gonna like them. Again, I will leave the recipe down below for the single recipe, for the bake, and for the carrot muffins. So comment below if you're gonna try this, and if you do, come back and let me know what you thought. I hope you enjoyed today's little cooking video. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos as always, and we'll see you on the next video. See you later.